Solve 5x squared plus 13x equals 6 using the zero factor property. To use the zero factor property, we first need this equation in standard form. So we'll subtract 6 from both sides of the equation to get 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we need to factor the trinomial that's on the left side. This factors to 5x minus 2 times x plus 3, which is equal to 0. And so by the zero factor property, 5x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0. These equations give the solutions x equals 2/5 or x equals -3. We want to check both of these solutions in the original equation. Both solutions do check, and so the solution set is the set containing -3 and 2/5.